Hey guys, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this little walking app called Cashwalk. Okay, now apparently you can make money from Cashwalk just by walking. It records your steps. Let's see if this is real. Is this legit? Do they really pay out, right? Or are there better ways to make money online out there? Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, click the link below and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I've reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. Some of them are really good, some of them so-so. A lot of them, though, a big waste of time. So let's check out Cashwalk to find out how good this app really is, or are there better ways to make money online out there. Okay, now Cashwalk is actually a 100% legitimate walking app that will reward you for the amount of steps that you take. Okay, the way that it works is you can download this app from the Google Play Store or your iOS device, right? It's very easy. They have 1 million downloads on the Google Play Store, so a lot of people actually use this app, right? It's basically a pedometer, right? It tracks how many steps you've taken, how many calories you've burned, that kind of thing, how far you've gone, and then basically they will reward you for those steps. And I will talk to you a little bit about how you can get rewarded, what rewards there are, and that kind of stuff. Okay, and you can again link it up to your devices and it will basically measure your steps. Pretty cool stuff, right? There are a lot of walking apps like that, right? The big question is how do they make money and why are they paying this out? They show you lots of ads. Okay, so please expect there to be lots of ads as you're watching the app, because that's how they make money. If you think about it, right, they've got 1 million people that have downloaded it just on the Google Play Store. There'll probably be more, including Apple devices, right? So these people are getting this shown or served ads every single time they use the app. That's how they make money. So they offset some of that cost. They will give some to you based on how much you actually use the app. It's pretty simple. Okay, now how do they pay? Okay, so let's talk about how do they pay out. So first of all, you can get different rewards, okay, on different gift cards. They don't pay out cash, unfortunately, but they do pay rewards. Okay, so depending on where you live in the world, they will pay out usually Amazon gift cards, Spotify, Google Play, Starbucks, Walmart, and Apple gift cards, even Subway and Dunkin' Donuts, depending on where you live in the world, and you can get some rewards that way. But unfortunately, they don't pay cash, which I think is a bit disappointing. So no PayPal cash, no prepaid Visa or cards or anything like that. Okay, now let's talk about the steps themselves. How many steps do you have to take? How does the conversions work? And the big question is, how much money can you really make with this app? Okay, now first of all, you have to understand that 1 point is equal to 100 steps. Okay, 1 point is equal to 100 steps, or 1 coin is equal to 100 steps. Now, on average, the average person in the world takes about 5,000 steps per day. All right, now that sounds a lot, but let's actually do the calculations. Okay, so 5,000 steps per day. If 1 coin is 100 steps, it means that roughly on average you'll make about 50 coins per day. All right, if you're not doing any additional exercise or anything like that, you're not running, you're just walking a normal day, you walk to the subway, all that kind of stuff, it's about 50 coins per day that you can earn. Now, in order for you to withdraw from them, okay, previously it used to be 2,000 coins was equal to a $5 gift card. Okay, but as time has gone by, I guess maybe the economies have changed. Maybe it's more difficult for them to get gift cards, or maybe they don't get paid as much for advertising anymore. It has gone from 2,000 coins to 3,000 coins equals a $5 gift card, to now 5,000 coins equals to a $5 gift card. Okay, now if you do the math on that, 5,000 divided by 50 coins per day is basically 100 days. So on average, if you're an average user, it will take you about 100 days, about 3 months, to get a $5 gift card. Now, let me ask you a question. Is that worth your time? Right? You're walking every day for 3 months. You're tracking your steps with the app, so you have to be active with tracking the app, right? You're getting $5 for every 3 months of walking. That to me doesn't really make much sense. Okay, that's very, very difficult, and that is really one of the biggest complaints of the app. So let's go to the App Store right now. Okay, and it does have a lot of 5-star, but recently they've been getting a lot of like 1 to 3 stars. Okay, so let's just jump into the actual reviews. And if you go through the reviews, you'll see a lot of 1 to 3 stars recently, right? These are the most recent ones. 3 star there, 1 star here, 2 stars here, 3 stars, 1 star, right? 3 stars, 2 stars, 2 stars, 3 stars, 3 stars, 2 stars. Okay, you get the idea, right? 1 star here, right? So here's the thing. The biggest complaint with the app is a few different things. Number one, they keep raising the prices. So previously it used to be 2,000 coins equals to a $5 gift card. Then it was 2,005, then it was 3,000, then 3,005, then 4,000. Now 5,000 coins is equal to 1 gift card. And as you know, the average person takes 5,000 steps a day, which equals to 50 coins. So 5,000 coins divided by 50 is 100 days. It's going to take you a long time, okay, to basically earn a $5 gift card. And then it's only a $5 gift card, right? It's not even cash, okay? And so you can only withdraw it from, specific places. And then the other thing as well is that they have a lot of tech issues, okay? So all sorts of tech issues, like it can't be downloaded, it can't be started, it's not counting the steps correctly. The amount of time it loads the ads, it takes a long time. Look at this one, right? The amount of time it loads the ads has become ridiculous. It's now to the point where you can collect now 9 coins before an now it's to the point where that you can collect 9 coins before an ad, then you have to collect 9 more, right? So you have to keep watching ads to collect your coins, right? They make all kinds of BS excuses to not reward you. They say you didn't install the game through the app, you were using a VPN when you're not. You completed the offer too quickly when it took you days. They might want to try listening to customers by reading reviews. It used to be a great app. So again, it used to be a great app, but now lots and lots and lots of problems, unfortunately. And also it's very difficult to get in touch with support. So these are the 3 main problems with this app apparently, right? So here's the thing. Here's what I would say, right? I would say that, look, if you're here just to have a little bit of fun, and you're not really interested in making money, and if you get rewarded a $5 gift card every 3 months for walking, then great, okay, I would download Cashwalk. But if you're here because you want to make money with your phone, with apps, with the internet, and you're really geared towards making rewards, then this is a really, really bad way to make money. Because number one, they've got a lot of glitches. Number two, it seems like they're getting more and more expensive, so it's more and more difficult for you to get a $5 gift card. Previously, you could get a $5 gift card every month, but now it's like once every 3 months. I think it's not really worth your time, even though it is a free app. Okay, there are a lot of free apps out there, and a lot of them you can make at least a few dollars a month versus $5 every 3 months, which I think is really, really bad. Okay, so if I were you, I wouldn't even waste my time with Cashwalk. And there are a few apps that I've reviewed that pay you for walking and exercise and things like that, but a lot of it are not worth your time. All right, but if you want to check it out, you can. Cashwalk right here, cashwalklabs.io. But me personally, I wouldn't even waste my time with a walking app like this, okay? Now, if you're here watching this video right now, on this channel, I have reviewed hundreds of different ways to make money online. Some of them really good, some of them so-so. A lot of them, though, are a big waste of time, like Cashwalk, okay? I think there are great ways to make money online out there, but you have to learn the strategies and the ways that are actually really good, right? And out of all of the good strategies, there's one strategy that I think that an absolute beginner or someone that's never made money online before has the best chance of going from zero to their first $5,000 to $10,000 a month. And if you would like to check that out, I've got a free masterclass you can check out by clicking the link below, okay? I hope you enjoyed this review of Cashwalk. All the best to you. Hope to see you on another video review. Take care.